wasabis! This is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. So for today's video, I know you guys have been waiting for this. It's time to share with you a sneak peek of our new soap studio. So if you're interested to be part of this, please join me and get on with the video. So if you have been following me on my YouTube channel, welcome. If you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe and click that notification bell button so that you are updated as soon as I have uploaded a new video. Okay, but before anything else, let me just turn on the aircon. Hey Google, turn the aircon on.
Got it, turning on the aircon.
Alright, so right now we are here at our new soap studio. So this is going to be our new workshop venue for all of our workshops. For our soap making workshop, for our shampoo bar workshop, and for some of my essential oil workshop and other special interests workshop like perfume making, candle making. It's all going to be here. And we are super duper excited to share this with you, and we are super duper proud to have this little space for our students, kasi this is like a step or maybe 10 steps more than what we've had in mind. It's a little space, but it's enough for what we intend or for our purpose. Kasi before, nakikishare lang kami sa space ng mom ko, and well, it was kind of crowded. So right now, we have our own dedicated space for our students. As you can see, all of those supplies behind me. So all of those, I'll be sharing them with you. And I'll be sharing with you the changes on what's going to happen in our future workshops. Alright, so let's start on this side. On this side, sa left side ng shelf, are some of the hard to find like soap additives. So we have jojoba beads. These are from Brambleberry. And then we have agar powder. We have some essential oil supplies down here. So meron kaming like the candle making stuff here, and then yung mga bottles, inhalers and bottles. We also have the funnels, and then gemstone rollers, some of the bottles for your essential oils. And then next shelf, andito naman yung iba pang mga natural additives that you can use for your shampoo bars or soap making. So we have your Himalayan salt, we have some lavender buds, some calendula flowers, great for your skin. And then this side is basically everything Young Living. So yan yung perfume book, we have cocktail or oil-infused cocktail recipe book, and then yung thieves cleaner. We have some essentials down here, the things that I personally recommend. This is my favorite book. It has all the Young Living oils and blends in the dictionary format. And then this is my favorite, as in acne treatment ng Young Living is like the best. Kaya this is a little push card. It's like my favorite. Down here, we have more books for your wellness, aromatherapy, and everything. And then further down, nandyan na yung mga other supplies for soap making and everything. Okay? On this side, we have, this is our Davao Source Pure Cocoa Butter. As in, this is from our friend. So, versus yung mga nabibili nyo online na parang chunks na pera-peraso, ito one whole block siya. And it comes with this container. So, it's really like a premium quality cocoa butter. And then soap bases. And then we also have activated charcoal, just in case you guys want to try it. Our shampoo bars, of course. If you haven't tried Caticorn Dream shampoo bars, you have to get some. You have to try it. One single bar can last you 3 months plus, or it can replace 3 bottles of shampoo. It's that good. Okay? And then, of course, our Casa de Lorenzo Castile soap. They're available also here. All variants in 2 sizes if you want to try them. And then on this side, we have our Lish phthalate-free fragrances. These are the ones that you can use for shampoo bar making or soap making. So these are phthalate-free. I think it's the first phthalate-free fragrance here in the Philippines. Phthalate is an ingredient commonly found in fragrance oils and anything na merong fragrance, synthetic fragrance. And phthalates are actually endocrine disruptors. So it's not healthy. That's why I'm very proud of this line. This is from my sister kasi It's phthalate free. If you don't want to use essential oil, and these are fairly affordable. So these are about 250 to 280 pesos lang per bottle. And it's phthalate free. It's a good kind of fragrance oil. So good. You should try it. And then ito yung ginagamit dun sa perfume making. Yung Mexican Clear Vanilla. We have some of those. Down here is the Zel Aroma line of essential oils. We have everything. The entire line is there. So you can purchase it here. Further down, we have a lot of Cedar Alley carrier oils and some hydrosols. So, ayan. Nandito nila yung sa harap yung medyo common. And then, nandun sa mas loob, like there. You can see yung mas specialized oils. Ayan, merong pomegranate, kukui, rosehip, marula, and all those shebang. So, yan. Marami kayong choices. And then here, ito pa yung other soap additives. Natural soap additives, powders, plant powders that you can use for your soap making, shampoo bar making. Ang daming choices, as in. Hindi ko pa sila nahihimay. Further down here, we have rose hydrosol and lavender hydrosol that we've sourced on our own. We have also fractionated coconut oil and then other supplies pa. On this side are our machines, KitchenAid, and then on this side are the things that we normally use when we're making. So ito yung ginagamit namin during the workshop. Yan, yung mga mica, and everything. Yung mga additives like salt, flowers, and everything. Plus all the other stuff that we're using. Ang kulang na lang dito is yung microwave right here. Tsaka yung isa pa naming mixer. And then we added extra KitchenAid bowls to be put down there. Stick blenders namin. And then some of the stuff that we use. And then, the entire place is actually temperature controlled. So, meron kaming real-time monitoring of the humidity and the temperature of the entire space, which is connected to my phone, to my Bluetooth. For example, when the temperature gets at 30 degrees, it will automatically trigger for the aircon to turn on. So that all of these oils are protected from heat. That's why I call this space a semi-smart space kasi everything is connected on my phone. So when the room is a little hot, kasi summer na, no, we want to monitor the temperature inside here. So when it goes at 30 degrees Celsius, automatic mag-on yung aircon para to cool the entire place down to protect the integrity of all our ingredients here, all our soaps and everything. Tapos, we've also added down here an air purifier, and nandiyan sa baba, that will monitor the indoor air quality during the workshop. So, itong ilaw na ito, magre-red yan kung pangit na yung indoor air quality. And we added this equipment just so everybody gets to enjoy like a nice and healthy air inside the workshop space. So, we've added all these equipments, technologies, and machines to be able to carry out a better experience for our students. So from our aircon, it's smart powered, it's connected to Google, it's connected to the network. Our fan is also has a timer, so you can also turn it off remotely. And then, yun nga, everything is temperature controlled. And then this one, yung air purifier, may nagmamonitor na ng indoor air quality natin in our space. And starting this March, actually this weekend, there's gonna be my first Essential Oil 101 free class for all my Young Living members. So I'm very excited to have them tomorrow, actually. Bukas yung first class. And on Sunday, meron ulit isa pang class. And this space can actually accommodate 12 to 16 people. But for March, we will only have like a few kasi parang soft opening pa lang. We want to see the flow of the people and kung okay, bago namin ilalagay. Hindi pa namin actually sinaset up yung tables and chairs. So, this entire space is gonna be like table and chairs lang. And then, nandyan sa side yung mga supplies that they can use for the workshops. Basically, all these additives, ito yung mga pwede nilang gamitin during the workshop. So, for example, they're making soaps, right? There are loads of soap. They can now choose whatever ingredient they have. They have like a list of these ingredients and their benefits so that they are able to produce a soap that's very relevant to their needs. I don't think anybody has done that. We've never done that before. We used to have one recipe, but now they can customize their own soap. That's gonna be exciting. The price is still gonna be the same. Hindi namin tataasan yung price, but you get more of the experience. And then same for shampoo bars. You can choose whatever, like oils down here, so that the oil, the benefit, will be relevant to your need. For example, you can choose mabasu oil, or you can choose to have safflower oil. Those oils that can help with dandruff, targeted for dandruff like macadamia oil, or you can have something that's flaxseed oil para sa mga dry scalp. So lahat yan, pwede nyo nang gawin on our March shampoo bar workshop. That's next week. So if you guys haven't signed up yet, don't forget to sign up today. I think we have a couple of more slots left. Also sa soap making class, it's gonna be fun kasi meron na kayong ganyan na mga gamit, and we will also be letting you use these dried flowers right here. So it's gonna be totally different, totally amazing. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to join us on our workshops this summer. You've come out with our schedule now. So we have our candle making workshop. We have our perfume making workshop. We also have our kiddie soap making workshop. It's all gonna be this March and April. If you want to check out all our other workshops, don't forget to check our Linktree account right here. And then we put there all our workshops. You guys can sign up today. We always update our Linktree account, so all our workshops are posted there as soon as they're open for registration, and they're removed there as soon as the classes are closed. If you guys want to join us this summer and enjoy all of these amazing stuff during the workshop, don't forget to join today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Hey Google, turn the aircon off.
Sure, turning off the aircon.
Yeah.